I can say for myself na this is the first show na talagang in-open up ko yung sarili ko sa lahat ng cast members. And baka nasobrahan pa nga. Alam na namin yung mga kalokohan ng bawat isa. So, siguro sa lahat ng show na naginawa ko, ito yung in-invest ko yung sarili ko dito. Dahil sa mga co-stars ko na sobrang naging close sa akin. So, I guess that's what makes it unique because hindi peke yung pinapakita namin sa TV. It's really, we really care about each other. Kung pinapakita namin na parang mahal namin si Annalyn, sa totoong buhay, talagang mahal namin siya. It's never too late for you to make amends or to make things right. Kasi dito sa story nga, nakita mo na nung nalaman ko later on in life na totoo pala siya anak and all that. So parang kahit namang anong ginawa mong mali when you were younger, you can always make things right later on. It's never too late to do the right thing. And ang pinaka-importante siguro dyan is like for me, the family is really your greatest treasure. So yun talaga ang mahalaga sa buhay. It's not what you have, it's who you have in your life.